Hi, I'm Gia Nicolaides with your morning brief on the coronavirus. It's day 48 of the national lockdown, and if you thought that last night President Cyril Ramaphosa would announce that we're going into level 3, think again. We remain at level 4, and probably at least until the end of May. Ramaphosa says they've started a process of consultation with relevant stakeholders on a proposal that by the end of the month, most of the country will be placed on alert level 3. But those parts of the country with the highest rates of infection will remain on level 4. The president has also promised to relax some restrictions under the current level 4. He made a specific reference to the rules around exercise and also alluded to more businesses being allowed to spin up again. This, he said, would be announced in the coming days. The president spent a lot of time defending government's actions, saying the lockdown has been necessary and without it, at least 80,000 South Africans would be infected by now, and the death toll would have been at least 8 times higher than it is. The latest figures show that we have 12,074 confirmed cases, 219 deaths, and more than 4,700 recoveries. Ramaphosa says that the 7 weeks of lockdown have bought us time, slowing down and delaying the spread of the virus. And during this time, we've been able to strengthen the capacity of our healthcare system with 25,000 additional beds, 354 quarantine sites, and mass screening and testing across the country. There was also an acknowledgement that his government has not always done brilliantly when it comes to the regulations. The president referenced the confusion caused by many of the actions, acknowledging some of the actions have been unclear, some have been contradictory, and some have been poorly explained. And yesterday is a clear example. Some of the most bizarrely specific regulations that were gazetted relate to exactly what kinds of winter clothes can be sold. For example, short-sleeved tops can only be sold if they are displayed and promoted to be worn under jackets and coats and knitwear. Also, no open-toed shoes are allowed. The president says shaking hands, hugging and kissing is a thing of the past, and we need to change our behavior. At the same time, while there are vaccines being developed, the World Health Organization has also warned that this virus may never go away. In the past few weeks, we've visited orphanages and frail care centres that have been severely impacted by COVID-19. You can go and watch the video by clicking on this link. The full speech from the president is also on our EWN YouTube channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. For more on the pandemic, you can also go to ewn.co.za/coronavirus.